Let's keep talking here about the Delta variant because it is different. It is more contagious for one thing, and we are seeing a rapid increase in the number of children that are getting sick during this wave of COVID-19, especially here in Florida, which NBC6 investigator Tony Pipitone found is setting off alarms across the country.
Today in Washington.
In the past week, Florida has had more COVID cases than all 30 states with the lowest case rates combined. And Florida and Texas alone have accounted for nearly 40% of new hospitalizations across the country.
Both states with governors that ban mask mandates in schools. Today, Florida's governor conceded things may look bad.
We are seeing people testing positive in higher numbers than I think most people anticipated.
But his message? Deal with it.
It's airborne, it's aerosolized, and so we just have to understand that when that's happening, these waves are something that you have to deal with.
This is what Joe DiMaggio Children's Hospital was dealing with.
Seems the pediatric patients are a lot sicker than they were last year. The increase in the ones that are having to be admitted is striking for us.
Just look at the state of children in Florida. Last week, more than 13,500 children under 12 tested positive, 21% of those tested. 1 month earlier, about 2,100 did. Less than 8% of those tested. That's a 550% increase in cases. Same for children in hospitals. 341 under 18 admitted last week, 55 for the week ending a month earlier, an increase of 520%. To those defying DeSantis and others, praise today from the White House.
To the mayors, school superintendents, educators, local leaders who are standing up to the governor's politicizing mask protection for our kids, thank you. Thank you as well. Thank God that we have heroes like you.
But DeSantis remains opposed to mandating masks in schools, standing with an advisor who told him this.
My position is simple. Masking children is child abuse. They do nothing to help us medically, and they're destroying our country.
One of the people trying to save the country from a deadly pandemic has another view.
I disagree strongly with the verbiage of it being child abuse, because I think that the idea here is we're doing everything we can to protect our children. My 9-year-old and 6-year-old, they wear masks because they want to stay safe.
Tony Pipitone, NBC6 News.